What's up everybody, and welcome back to another M3 video. Before we start this video, I invite you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also lightly abuse the like button. And with that being said, let's dig right in. Alright, so before we can get this car off of the frame machine, we need to install the K-frame. So we are going to pop this K-frame on and attach it with just 4 bolts for now, so that we can move the car from the frame machine to the lift area. Before we do that, we have to move the burnt car. So we are going to go ahead and move the burnt car and then throw on the K-frame. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and roll it out and then get the guys to help us push it into the other lift bay. Alright, so we got the car on the lift. We are going to remove the subframe, pressure wash it, clean it up real nice, and then obviously install everything. So right now we're going to go grab some lunch and then time lapse the rest of this. So see you in the time lapse. So our motor is ready to go in. We are going to use some thick straps and go around it, get it on the cherry picker, and try to slide that thing in there without scratching anything on the sides. We left the intake manifold off specifically for that reason. That way we can come in straight and then tilt it. So let's see if this will work. Alright guys, so it is the next day here and we are back on the M3. Unfortunately, we have run into a little bit of an issue. This is the transmission cooler for our white car, and since it's an automatic, it has a transmission cooler. The burnt car, being a manual, does not have a transmission cooler, and this one is no good. As you can see right here, it's got a hole in there. So we can't start the car. I know I could just plug the lines and start it, but I honestly, I don't want to do that. I want to get everything on there legit. So I ordered this cooler. It should be here in the next few days. But while we wait on this cooler, we can actually go ahead and start on the interior, because we do need to install the roof airbags, the steering wheel airbag, the knee airbag, and remove both seat belts so that we can send them out and get them repaired. So let's go see what we got for over there. Right here we have our steering wheel airbag. I did buy it on eBay, as well as the roof airbag and the knee airbag. Drop in the comment section below what you guys think I paid for this steering wheel airbag. It wasn't cheap, but I'm interested in seeing what you guys know about these prices. So drop in the comment section below what you think I paid for it. And then we are going to go ahead and install these. I don't know if we'll have to drop the entire ceiling in the car. I'm hoping we won't. Maybe we'll be able to just drop the side of it, but this will be real easy, and so will this. The hardest thing is going to be the roof airbag. So we're going to make Vlad do the roof.
Sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, we'll make Vlad do the roof. And I'm just going to watch.
What about the wheel airbag?
Honestly though, the wheel airbag is probably going to be the hardest one.
Yeah, actually it has these crazy
these
clips.
little pins right here, they're actually not very easy to access. And BMWs, they tend to fight you a lot on things. So we'll see what happens. Let's dig right in. Now we Gucci. Alright guys, so I was in the process of installing this roof airbag, and I have to admit, I was maxing out this little popper. I may have even gotten stuck. I may owe Mark some money. But anyways, I got one rivet on, so the airbag is like maybe 10% on, but we have a neighbor who is a friend of ours who also, he races cars, and so he always has rivet guns and stuff. We're gonna go see if we can borrow one from him, because I don't wanna go buy one right now. So let's run over there and see if he has one. Why do you do that? Alright, so Jason hooked us up with some of these longer rivets. They're smaller in diameter, but they're a little bit longer, so I think they will work perfectly fine. And I need to get this one out that I messed up, so. Alright, so unfortunately Jason's central pneumatic unit did not work, so we had to go buy our own. Very nice little unit. The rivets that we need to use fit in here excellently. So we have everything we need. It actually came with the fitting. We did not have any Teflon tape, so I went ahead and just cross-threaded it, made a nice tight seal. And we are going to try our rivets. So big rivet going in, fits. Yes, sir. All right, let's try it. All right. tight. That's not going anywhere, promise you.
Nice. All right, so we're gonna get the rest of these and get this roof back together.
All right, guys, so we got the headliner back in. Everything looks great. All we are waiting for on the interior is to get the seatbelts back from the seatbelt rebuilding company, and that will wrap up the interior. Unfortunately, we could not get the car started because we are missing the cooler, as you know, and I don't want to start it until I get that cooler. As bad as I want to start the car, I decided I'm not going to do it. So that's going to be a wrap for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to tap on that like button. And if you don't already, go follow us on motorhead.co on Instagram. We post a lot of sneak previews and behind the scenes footage, so go follow that. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.